Hello viewers, in this episode I'm going to explain why you need to do 3D printing, how you can do 3D printing, some general terms about 3D printing, and what software or what kind of drawing software, modeling software or websites you need to check out to do 3D printing. So in engineering language it's called additive manufacturing. Simply to put, additive manufacturing is where you put one layer on top of another, like in the cake baking or the snack called jalebi making. So you move your hand top or bottom or up and down, right, left, or front, back. Similarly, you do in 3D printing, the bed is moved to X and Y direction, the nozzle moved to uh, up and down direction. That varies in different printers, but I'm just telling on general terms. So you control X, Y, Z directions, and just like in the cake baking, you are using cream, you are putting cream. In 3D printing, you are using filament. That's like plastic or PETG, many kind of different materials. So you push it through the extruder and extrude it, and that's how you add different layers on top of one another. So what you need to why you need to do 3D printing? First of all, just remember that you will start doing 3D printing for hobby. Then when you get more knowledge, you will be able to do more experiment, like let's say during the COVID situation, some doctors, some engineers, they researched on to get some affordable breathing device, and that's what they did. You can see here they made some breathing device. You can, some people actually 3D printed a 3D printer. You can do that. You can do many DIY projects. You can do a lot of home decor. At the end of my video you will see I put some of my home decor flower vases there. So how you can do 3D printing? uh, First of all, you have to draw the model or download the models. You have to draw or download STL model. So for drawing, most people use Tinkercad. That's the easiest version of drawing software for 3D printing. You can use Fusion 360, that's more popular and more robust. You can use Inventor, Revit if you are trying to print something architectural. Like here, I'm using Autodesk Fusion 360. Once you design your thing, like I designed this angle, you export it into an STL file. You export it. In that case, I will cancel it because I already exported it. So another way, you can also download them from Thingiverse. That's the free things you can get. Cars 3D is a more quality version of products, but it's costly and you have to pay some price. But for Thingiverse you can download for free, like I did. So here I downloaded a STL file for this pen holder. Now your 3D printer can't read the STL file. You have to bring the STL file to some slicing software and get G code. So 3D printers, they can read G code file. You have to remember that. So in my case, I mostly use Cura. Like here, I get the STL model here in Cura. I change different settings. You can see here I'm changing the parameters like infill density. I will discuss about these things more in my later videos. So you slice them and you can see like you can preview them. You can see here different layer, how it's, so basically you can see how is going to print it, what would be the movement in real machine when you try to print the things. So I'm jumping between different change settings, and you can then, after you get what you want to print, you getting the G-code file, you save it to your USB drive or some SD card, and then you go to the printer. You put the SD card into your printer. So there are two main types of printers: SLS type and FDM type. SLS types are more expensive, but FDM are more user friendly and easily accessible to normal people. And most popular versions are Creality, Prusa, MakerBoard. Of course, there are many more, and many new ventures are coming out uh, for 3D printing, making 3D printers. So here you can see some of my home decor projects I've done. I would mostly 3D print home decors because I don't need a lot of functional things. You can see the details. Of course, I have some functional things uh, at my place. So here you can see this looks like wood, but these are not actually wood. It's actually wood filament. This is a silky rainbow filament. Look at the detail level. This is a white filament. Again, a wood filament. Look at the detail level. And here goes some. You can see here this shelf. I made this shelf bracket. That's also 3D printing. Some home decor again. Some mosque. And this is a home decor. This is called a Julia vase, which I got the model from Thingiverse for free. And here are more. You see those shelf bracket. See how strong it is. It's really strong. This one, this vase. And to keep my wallet and the keys organized, one more vase. Look at the color. And yeah, just you can understand that this soap case looks good, and I designed it uh, just to drain out all the water, and you can drain out all the water. That's the bracket you saw I was showing earlier in the video, that design in Fusion 360. The same thing and some more thing. Thank you, and keep watching for next videos. Thank you.